How to set up a wireless HP printer using HP Smart in macOS. From your Mac, set up an HP printer and connect it to your wireless home or business network using HP Smart. The HP Smart app only supports select HP printers. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information: a Mac that is connected to the wireless network in which you want to connect your printer, an HP printer turned on and in a ready state, an active internet connection, and the wireless network password or key if required by your network. On your computer, go to 123.hp.com. Follow the prompts to download and install HP Smart. Once installed, open HP Smart. The first time HP Smart opens, a welcome screen appears. Click Continue. Choose if you want to allow HP.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
Smart to collect your usage data. When prompted to find your printer, click Continue. If this is not the first time opening HP Smart, click the plus sign. HP Smart detects new printers and printers on your network. When your printer is detected, select Continue. Select Continue to connect the printer to your network using the wireless credentials stored on your Mac. If prompted, enter your administrator username and password. HP Smart finds the printer and then prepares it for the connection. HP Smart obtains printer information and then finishes the connections. Follow the instructions to set up an HP connected account or sign into your existing account. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your Mac or in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. For printers without a touch display, press the cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. Or, for LaserJet Pro printers, press and hold the wireless button until the ready and attention lights blink simultaneously. Release the buttons to restore setup mode. For printers with a touch display, navigate to the Wireless or Network Settings menu and then select Restore Network Settings or Restore Network Defaults. For printers with front edge lighting, press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. When the printer's network settings are reset, the front edge lighting rotates. Some older printers might not support setup mode, so you must connect it to the network manually. For printers with a touch display, use the Wireless Setup Wizard to connect your printer to the network. For older printers without a touch display, press and hold the wireless button on your printer for 5 seconds, or until the wireless light blinks, and then within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on your router for 5 seconds. With your printer connected to your network or in setup mode, return to HP Smart. Click Get Started. Review the information and then enable any desired collection settings. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms and then click Continue. The app finds your printer in setup mode. If one or more printers are already connected to your network, the app selects a printer automatically. Scroll left or right to select the printer you want to use. If no printers display, click the plus sign and then select the printer you want to set up or add to HP Smart. Click Continue. To connect the printer to the same network as the computer, enter the wireless password or key, and then click Continue. HP Smart finds the printer and prepares the connection. For the security of newer models, you must physically confirm your proximity to the printer. When prompted, touch the flashing Information button on the printer control panel. HP Smart continues to obtain printer information and then completes the network and printer connections. Click Continue and then follow any prompts to finish setting up your printer hardware and add any optional features. When prompted to install a driver, click Printers and Scanners to open System Preferences. When prompted, click OK to allow HP Smart access to Control System Preferences. Click the plus sign and then select your printer. Click Add to install the printer driver and add the printer to the printers list. Return to HP Smart and then click Continue. Print a test page or click Not Now. HP Smart opens and displays the available tasks and settings for your printer. To print from another computer or device, connect the device to the same network as the printer, and then go to 123.hp.com to download the correct software for the device you are using.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.